In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the home buying process and going over every step by step. But first, my name is Marvin Alvarado, the Sneakerhead Realtor here in Salt Lake City, Utah. If you're looking to move to Salt Lake City or live here already and are looking to buy your first home or just looking to sell and upgrade, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below. You can call me, text me, or email me. I'll be waiting for your call. The home buying process can be scary, but my goal is to make it a smooth and seamless experience for you. And so today I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on what the home buying process looks like. Okay, so the first step is to find a good real estate agent. If you're in Salt Lake City, I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you may have about the home buying process. If you're outside of Salt Lake City or anywhere in the United States, I have a big team of agents that are very knowledgeable and more than happy to answer any questions that you may have for your specific area. But it's important that you find a good agent who understands negotiation, contracts, and just understands the market overall. The second step is to talk to a mortgage lender. Your real estate agent should be able to give you some options of lenders that you can talk to that they trust, that will make sure that they have your best interest in mind. So what this means, it's time to get pre-approved for the mortgage. This involves submitting an application to a lender who will review your financial information, credit score, determine how much the bank is willing to lend you. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage will help you determine how much you can afford to spend on your home. Your lender should be able to give you a rough estimate on what your payment would look like based on the amount that you qualify for. Keep in mind that depending on where you want to be on a monthly payment, just because you're approved for $60,000 or $600,000 doesn't necessarily mean you'll want to buy a $600,000 home. Once you've been pre-approved and you know how much you want your monthly payment to be, you can start looking for homes that meet your criteria. Your agent will be able to provide you with listings that match your needs. You can also search for homes online. Make sure to take notes of important features that you want in your dream homes, such as number of bedrooms, bathrooms, location, and amenities, so you can know exactly what you're looking for and what your needs are. Once you've found a home that you love, it's time to make an offer to the seller. Your real estate agent should help you determine a fair price to offer based on the market and the property's condition. Your agent will draft up the offer to the seller based on your needs and the seller's needs and present it to the listing agent, who will then present it to the seller. Once your offer is accepted, you'll want to perform a home inspection. This will help you identify any potential issues with the property. This will also help you negotiate any necessary repairs with the seller. Make sure to hire a professional home inspector to ensure that everything is in good condition. Your realtor should be able to give you some recommendations of home inspectors that will go through the home and run any tests that you want done, and obviously perform an inspection of the whole home itself to determine its condition. Once you've determined the property's condition and negotiated any repairs with the seller, it's time to finalize your financing. You will be working with your lender through this process to finalize any additional documents that may be needed and providing additional information that they may need. Please keep in mind that you want to provide any information that they need as soon as possible to not delay the process. Your lender will also be ordering an appraisal on the home to determine the property's value, which that all will be going on in the background. But the most important for you to keep in mind is that any information that's requested from the lender, you want to get that to them as soon as possible to not delay anything. Once you've wrapped up your financing and appraisal has been done, your lender will give you the clear to close. At this appointment with the title company, you'll be sending all the documents from the lender, transferring the ownership of the property to you, and obviously you'll be transferring any funds that are required for the purchase of the home to the title company, who will then distribute the funds everywhere they need to go. And typically, once you've signed all these documents, you should be able to get your keys to your home within 24 to 48 hours, depending on what has been negotiated in the contract. Typically, the home buying process can take anywhere from 30 to 45 days on average to complete the home buying process. But there you have it. That's a step-by-step guide on what the home buying process looks like. Like I said, if you're looking to buy a home or move into Salt Lake City or the Salt Lake City area, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below. I hope this information has been useful. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know what questions you have about the home buying process. Leave me a comment or reach out to me directly. Thank you and have a good day. See you on the next one.